Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Terraform, AWS, and ECS Fargate. We'll learn how to use Terraform to deploy an ECS Fargate cluster with a load balancer. It may sound complicated, but don't worry. We're going to break it down, making it easy and understandable, no matter your skill level. Terraform, developed by HashiCorp, is a tool for building, changing, and managing infrastructure in a safe, repeatable way. It manages external resources like public cloud infrastructure, private cloud infrastructure, network appliances, and even software as a service providers. With AWS ECS Fargate, you no longer need to provision, configure, or manage clusters of virtual machines to run containers. This removes the need to choose server types, decide when to scale your clusters, or optimize cluster packing. Fargate enables you to focus on building and running applications, not the underlying infrastructure. A load balancer distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, in multiple availability zones. This increases the availability and fault tolerance of your applications. Alright, let's get started with the main topic of today, deploying an ECS Fargate cluster using Terraform. Make sure you have Terraform and AWS CLI installed and configured on your machine. I will walk you through a step-by-step process. 1. First, we need to write a Terraform configuration file. We define our provider, which in this case is AWS. Further, we specify the region and our access keys. 2. Next, we define our ECS cluster using the AWS_ECS_ cluster resource block. We specify the name of the cluster and any other required parameters. 3. Then, we define our Fargate task using the AWS_ECS_task_definition resource block. We have to specify the task definition name, task role, execution role, container definitions and other parameters as per our needs. 4. After setting up the task, we set up the Fargate service using the AWS_ECS_service block where we specify the cluster, task definition, desired count, network configuration, and load balancer information. 5. Finally, we define our load balancer using AWS_pound and AWS_pound_listener blocks. Here we specify the load balancer type, subnets, security groups, default actions and other required parameters. 6. Once we have written our Terraform configuration file, we run the Terraform init command. This command initializes our working directory containing Terraform configuration files. 7. After initialization, we use the Terraform apply command to create our Fargate cluster. This command will provide a deployment plan, asking for confirmation before making the changes. There you have it, folks. That's how you deploy an ECS Fargate cluster with a load balancer using Terraform. Once Terraform applies the changes, your application will be up and running on AWS, distributed evenly by a load balancer. Remember, always double-check your configurations before applying them. Happy terraforming, and see you in the next tutorial where we will dive into more advanced topics. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Keep learning, keep innovating. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.